everybody, how you doing? It is Wesley with Four Finger Frenzy, and today we are going over a awesome song called Michael Finnegan. Now, if you were in our class yesterday, we went over the F chord and the C7 chord. You know what? That's all the chords you need. Just this F chord right here, which is on the second string, first fret, and the C7, which is on the first string, first fret. Okay? So I wanted to talk about how to move between chords, because what I don't want you to do is just pick up your hand and put it back, and then pick up your hand and put it back, okay. So all we're gonna do is play our F chord, and just roll it down to that first string, then roll it back up to your second string, and roll it back to your first string, and there you go. That's the whole song. Okay, so we're gonna play 8 F chords, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the C7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 4 C7s and 4 Fs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Okay, so every time we get through one cycle that we just did, it's going to get faster and faster. Okay? And then pretty soon it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay. But we'll get there when we get there. Okay? So here is the recording that me and a good friend of mine, Miss Carrie Hardwick, did. And I hope you can play along with it and have fun. And of course, happy practicing.
There was an old man named Michael Finnegan. He had whiskers on his chin again. They